Hello guys, this is Bhatia and welcome to my Unique Net channel. Today I am going to unbox MaskFone. This is a new kind of mask. It has a 3 layers and everything. I will show you all the details and unbox the mask and how the headphone is working and how you can connect. Everything I'm gonna show you. So keep in this video and just watch carefully. I will show you everything. That's very cool. You never see this mask with headphone, mask phone. You can go to website and you can do online order also. See, I'm going to unbox for you guys. So keep it in touch. Uh, Stick here and yeah. See the manuals. It's a 3 layer mask, so it's very protective. The time is for right now is COVID is spreading everywhere. 12-hour battery backup, playtime. Also it's a water resistant, so if you sweat or something you can use it. You can wash and reusable. See, I will keep the mask aside and I will see what else accessories we got with this. Oh yeah, it has one, two, three extra masks. Oh wow, it has a bag also to keep mask or your phone or anything. It has a logo with the mask phone. Wow, it's pretty good. Let's see what else. Yeah, this is the headphone. This is the one headphones goes to the mask phone. See, that is a charger. Don't need that one. It's a grip. This is the grip for headphone, so you can adjust your in a ear so it will fit. Now I am showing this one. See the material, but it's too cool also. So this is the headphone, so it will go to your phone. This is a rubber. You can remove the headphone also from this way, and here is the microphone. See, easy. See the grips. This one. It's very easy to use it. Here is little volume buttons, so you can adjust your volume with the plus minus. It has here inside the button, so they already inbuilt with it. So it is cool. It's not costly. It's not much expensive. cool. So for this time, that's it. Okay, so it has 3 mask inside, free wireless headphone, easy to connect, and there is app. The price is not very expensive, and the material for the cloth is good, and most important thing is that is made in Europe. It's not made in China. Yeah, this is the website. If you want to order online, you can order it online. Look guys, this is the manufacturer by Binaton Telecom. It's from London, United Kingdom, UK. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you guys. Please keep follow me, keep subscribe my channel, so I will post new videos, and keep motivate me please. Thank you. I am new on YouTube. Thank you guys. That's all for today.